Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back. Well, as you can see, I am out on my kayak. It's a beautiful day here in Virginia. It's supposed to get up to 80. So got a slight breeze here. It's about 58 degrees right now. I'm gonna get out here and do a little kayak fishing today. So when I pulled up here, I seen a lot of fish up on the banks. Looks like the bluegill are getting on beds now as well. So we're gonna get out here and see if we can catch some bass, and then after we mess around with them for a while, we might drop down and try to fish for something else. So stay tuned and let's see what kind of fish we're gonna catch today. Hopefully we get on some big donkeys. GoPro, stop recording. All right, guys, first cast of the day. It's gonna be with the Ned rig, TRD's Crawl Z. I really like this bait. Been doing pretty good with it, so I like throwing it. And you know, I like throwing the Ned rig, so wow, I just hammered that like a mile. Well, guys, I am working down this little bank right here. Saw a few fish when I pulled up here, so I figured this is where I would start. Where the sun was on at first this morning. He looks good in the water. There's a fish. Got him. All right, first bass of the day, right there. Nice. Oh, easy, bro, easy. You done getting crazy on me? There you guys go, first bass of the day, TRD Crawl. All right, nice little bass. Alright guys, we're gonna get him back in the water. See you, bud. Thanks for the fight. And he's off. Sweet. Well, we didn't get skunked on the kayak. I always like that. Got that guy on this TRD Crawl. This is the Molten Crawl or Mud Bug. I can't remember which one it is. It's one of the two. Great little bait. Even really good in this pond. I'm using their new weedless hook that they came out with as well. And that is a really great bait as well. I mean, really great hook. All right, guys, we dropped down to a finesse shad watermelon red. We're gonna throw that. Wasn't getting nothing on the bandito bug and wasn't getting nothing on the regular TRD Ned rig. So figured I'd give this a whirl and see what happens. Seriously, something on it? Yep, we got fish. There he is. Another bass. All right, number 2 for the day. That was a good switch up. Right there. Nice. All right. Ned rig. The Ned rig, man. I'm gonna tell you, it's a great bait. All right, guys, we're gonna get him back. See you, bud. Thanks for the fight. He's right there. Look at him. Sweet. Well, guys, I finally got my second bass. Got him on this Ned rig. This is the finesse shad in a watermelon red. And yeah, nice little bass. Nothing big, but at least we got him, right? So I think that's gonna be the, I think finessing is gonna be the ticket for the day. Try to work my way back down this bank a little bit. See if we can find a few more fish. Oh, we got one. Got him. Third bass of the day. All right, on the Ned rig, finesse. Not a big one. So what? I'll take him because he's a bass. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. See you, bud. Thanks for the puppy. And he's off. Oh, got a fish right like that. Cast it out and he was on it. Thought it was in the weeds. There he is right there. All right, number 4. I'll take it. He like hammered it right behind that weed mat. I was trying to reel it in. That's why sometimes when you make a bad cast, damn, you might have a fish. All right, sweet. Only really recording. We are. He's a little guy, a little dink, but he's number 4 for the day, and I'll take him. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. See you, bud. Sweet. So that's 4 for the day. Nothing big, but definitely fun. And there's another bass like right in front of me right now. All right, guys, we're changing up to my little finesse shad, and we're gonna see what happens with that. Probably gonna drift a little bit right here. But we're gonna throw that in here and kind of see if we can get anything with this. Well, guys, a quick update. I've caught 4 bass so far. Nothing big, but a lot of fun. Just having a good time out here on the kayak. Downside to some finesse stuff, and that started catching fish. I threw some bigger stuff earlier, just wasn't really getting anything. So we're just out here having fun, catching a few bass, and just enjoying the day. So hopefully we can get on a few more before I gotta go. Wind's picking up a little bit, so we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. There we go, got one. Got him. I think he's a bass too. He is. All right. Number 5. All right. Good change up. Look at that fat little guy. Look at that fat little belly and everything. Look at that fat little belly. Look at that. Big old fat belly and a little bass. All right. We'll take it. All right, guys. Nice, pretty little bass. That is number 5. So we're gonna get him back in the water. See you, bud. Fat little thing. There's one. Got him. Got him. Alright, that's number 6. Number 6 for the day, guys. Nothing big, but better than getting skunked. Right up there. Look at that, guys. Nice little bass. Him. It's like somebody took a nick out of his butt at one time. Yep, he has a bite taker. Look at that. Let's see where somebody tried to take a chomper out of him at one time. He made it through it. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. Yeah, that's crazy. Look, he has. You can look at him close. It looks like he has a nick shot in there. But we're gonna let him go. See you, bud. He's out of here. Thanks for the fight. All right. A little bit of sneezing there. There's one. Oh, I got him. Number 7. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here. All right. I'll take him. All right, guys. Number 7 on the board. He's a long, skinny thing. But we'll take him. Number 7. Nice little bass. Can't complain. Hey, guys, we're going to let him go. See you, bud. He's off. Sweet, I'll take it. All right, guys, there's a couple bass swimming right around in here. And before I go, I'm gonna flip to it. See if I might be able to catch one of these guys. There's one sitting right over there. definitely, it's got the hungers. I can see that. He's hitting on it. It's hard for me to see what he's doing, but definitely getting his attention. Get it right. I don't want to get it though. We can catch that fish. There you go. Got him. Come here. Number 8. Even number fish. All right, I'll take it. Just flipped over there to him. He was sitting on a bed, it looks like, over there. And yeah, he was all about hammering that. Not having nothing to do with that being over there, so yeah. Didn't get him out of the kayak, but I did get him, and that makes number 8. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Fun day on the water. Caught 8 bass, 7 in the kayak, 1 on the bank. Had a great time out of my Vibe SeaGhost 130. A lot of fun. Love these kayaks. If you guys haven't checked out Vibe Kayaks, you really should go to their website, check it out. I am not sponsored by them, but I do like their kayaks and I do support them. So yeah, really great company and really good product. And so yeah, today was a lot of fun. Caught 8 bass, 7 in the kayak, 1 on the bank. And Ned rigs, Ned rig crawl Z, Ned rig finesse shad, and then I used a strike king minnow that caught all my bass. And yeah, just a lot of fun day out. Nothing big, but it's always fun to catch them in the kayak. I really enjoy catching around the kayak. I really am enjoying kayak fishing. Gonna be doing a few tournaments this summer as well, and I'm just gonna keep working on it and get better at it. So yeah, a lot of fun, great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe button, ding dong button, all those things you got to do for YouTube. And just do yourself a favor, get out there, get your lines wet, and catch some fish.